You gotta embrace the light. Wow, I'm really orange. Can't do this. Alright, well, simple as can be. We're waiting for shorts. Maybe this fair value gap here. Yes, doesn't have a fair value gap, but it does have a wick. So, same. What's up, Mohammed? How are you, man? Look at YM. Yeah, definitely room for lower. How's your study going, bro? You studying? DGPY looks amazing. I'm in this long on USD GPY. You can see this hourly fair value gap or 15-minute that got held. Nice. Oh, great, learning from your notes and applying them. That's good, man. Yeah, the good thing about the notes is for starters, you can always go back and like if there was something you didn't understand too well, you can always go back. But also the second thing is you can pinpoint exactly what you need, Like you don't need everything in those notes. I've watched every single episode multiple times, and a lot of the information I don't need. So now I can go back and say like, okay, I need this. Let me go look at this. And then you can just pick whatever you want and implement it to your trading model or trading strategy. Yeah, that's all it is. You just gotta listen. It's not about learning. It's about filtering. Right? You gotta filter the information that you need, and that's it. You focus on a couple of things. Otherwise, it'll be too difficult to replicate your trades. You want every trade to be the same. Look at DXY. DXY looks bullish. Yeah, DXY definitely has room to go higher. We came out here. Room to go higher for sure. I entered shorts too, but I was busy. Closed at 18607. Oh, like profitable trade. 18607. You mean 67? 77? What do you mean 607? Between the is it the contrast? Is that why? Appreciate you joining the stream, by the way. Yeah. Yeah, I'm looking for shorts. I needed to go a little bit higher, maybe towards this low right here, this old low. Weekly perspective is nice if you see a turtle soup. Yeah, the only thing is ICT teaches to not short all-time highs. Now he wasn't very specific about it. Um, oh, on DXY. Um, but what I will say is, what I will say is, it does look like we're gonna go lower, and we're not currently trading above all-time high. I think that's what he was trying to say. Um, don't short above all-time high. That is pretty. I guess that's pretty aggressive trading. Let's see if we can get a retracement. 930. I'm looking at this wick. Um, I'm gonna delete this for now. I'm just gonna focus on this wick on the 15-minute chart. I designed this FEG box myself, and honestly, I kind of like it. I don't know what it is about it, but the ES looks like it's retracing. I mean, yeah, so Zinky. That's what we got. A couple minutes. I don't want to take anything too close to the open, because what happens is I'll usually like take a short, for example, like here, for example, and it'll just do something like this. Like it'll just retrace a little bit high, like let's say to the order block, and then go. I want to be in this trade if it were to go lower. So yeah, I'm looking at the order block for sure. Um, I'm looking at this order block. The reason it's a high probability order block is because liquidity was swept. I think it's not that many points. Like this move is like from here to here, only 16 points. And honestly, this low is pretty high probability. Everything else, this is all low resistance liquidity, but on the 4 hour, it's just a big ass fair value gap. Just one big fair value gap. So let's see if we can start reversing this weekly candle. Hopefully we can get some. Oh, I should check. Is there more news? Mm. I don't see members speaking, but no one really cares about those guys. Mm. All right, 2 minutes still open. I'm gonna delete this line. That's my drawn liquidity. If I can get a short in here, I'm just going to be full TPing here. Maybe I'll leave a runner targeting these 15-minute lows, candle lows. All right, let's see if we can get a retracement into this wick. Or if we come out and take highs, I'm just looking for a PD array to support my trade. All right, 9:30. We'll go to the 1 minute time frame now. Last thing I'm gonna mark out is I'm just gonna mark this out. This low, the low of the order block. Go to the 1 minute time frame. Start reading these candles. We've just been staircasing. You can see after large expansion. This is usually how it is. All right, 9:30 is in 2 seconds. Nice. Hopefully we can continue higher. All right, we're approaching that wick. ES is already getting in there. I don't know if you guys can see that middle line. I'm gonna make it black. Okay, we approached 50% of the wick. It's kind of early for me. I'm not gonna take a short, but let's see if we can get a little bit higher retracements. So we're not even at the wick yet here. That candle flipped bearish pretty strongly. I feel like I'm as locked in as I can be. If we flip this candle, I might enter shorts. I'm hoping we don't flip it. Yeah. Give me a deep. Nice. So we're above previous all-time high right now. See if we can start taking out some short-term highs. Ideally, we get a deep retracement before I look for longs. Looks like the indices are trading opposite right now. NAS and ES, that is. I'm gonna delete this all-time high line. We don't need it. We don't need midnight opening. We know is up there. 8:30 is that 50-minute candle, and I will leave that low. So ES is trading into the order block right now. You can see that's like perfect price delivery right there. Wow, look at that. Um, and ES NQ doesn't look like it's going lower, so there is SMT. You can see that 15-minute order block in play, liquidity swept. That's the drawn liquidity. So let's see if we can get a short setup on ES. Quite early for me, but if we can get like a market structure, I don't like these candles though, man. Why do they look so? If we get an inversion, I'm gonna mark out the draw on liquidity right here on ES. It is this 16-minute candle. Sorry, 16 candle. Currently not in sync. I'm definitely gonna be lowering my risk today. If we invert this 2-minute, right now we just tapped in. I'm gonna draw out the 2-minute. We probably will invert. Let's see how NQ reacts off this, taking out this short, which is a 4-hour FEG high. What's up, JP? I don't like how they're moving opposite right now. I don't know anybody like you. JP, I know you saw my Forex positions, bro. I'm up 130 pips on USD JPY. Okay, we got the inverse. I think I will be. No, I'm gonna wait for a better. Because now, honestly, this has me questioning us going a little bit higher. What's up, Puggy? If we come out into the 4-hour, how do we come up here first? You want that low taken for longs? Yeah, the 4-hour FEG high is 15-minute low. I'm probably looking at the same one as you. Um, Ideally, what I wanted was I wanted us to come up to here, and I wanted to take profits at this high or this low. But because we're going there first, it's making me question things. Especially because ES hasn't. So like if ES inverse this, maybe ES gets a market structure shift fair value gap here. Maybe I can look for shorts targeting that low on ES. NQ hasn't taken it yet. That low is a 4-hour fair value gap high. Pretty choppy on we did come into this bearish fair value gap here, which is 15-minute OB. I feel like taking a short on ES like is not a bad short. It's not a bad short at all. Okay. There's kind of the manipulation we wanted, right? We wanted it to go higher. We're almost at that wick. We're trading in the wick right now. Let's look at the 50% of the wick. Okay, this is good. This is more what we wanted. I'll stay forever in your This short is not. This short is pretty good right here. I didn't recognize it, but I'd consider it going back in time. Expecting it to hold the 15-minute OB. 2 points risk. The thing is, I don't really like trading into old fair value gaps. I don't know if anyone can relate. Like, I want to see one created, tapped in, and then it's a nice reaction. 1 minute fair value gap with a 15-minute bearish order block. We could trade deeper into that order block. Nasdaq still needs to go up. A little questioning this, so I don't like how it's already looks like it's going higher. So I think we'll just be a little bit more patient. There's no need to enter on like a setup like this. All right, let's see if Nas can go higher. I believe this black line is 15-minute OB. Let's see. Expecting the fair value gap so far. I like the short. I'm like really tempted to sell short on ES right now. But I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait a little longer. I am tempted though. My stop loss would be right here. So let's just see what happens. I don't want it to influence a future trade, but let's see what happens. This would have been my stop loss had I taken that short. I don't think it's gonna go up there. This being the trade. I mean, that's not perfect delivery. I don't know what is. Yeah, it looks really good. If we form a fair value gap here, I'm probably gonna go short on ES. Yeah. Okay, Nas. See how if we can invert this little fair value gap on Nasdaq. A little bit before the macro, but don't need the macro. Let's see if the next candle forms a fair value gap here. This nice body on ES. We already respected this fair value gap. I was tempted to short in it. I didn't. I want to be more patient. If we don't get the inversion here, I probably won't take it. A little too weak for me now. The value gap's still there on ES, but no, I want the inversion on NQ first. I never known anybody like you. 1.75 stop loss. A nice move lower, but I think we can just wait for a better confirmation. I mean, there's no rush. There's also these equal lows. A little bit more focused on ES, but let's see. NQ is coming up now. Delete this fair value gap. So this is the wick marked out on the 15-minute time frame. I'm treating it like a fair value gap. If we go into the 15-minute order block, that's like A plus territory for me because there's a 15-minute fair value gap paired with the order block. And at that point, I think we're trading above 830. No, we're not. So never mind. We have these nice equal lows. 50% of the wick was just hit, which is also inside this fair value gap, which we didn't actually tap into. So interesting. Maybe if we close below these two down close candles, I'll consider it. The risk is a little higher now. 3 handles, so that's 3 times 50. Each one is 50, right? Wait, I'm tripping. 3 points. That's 150, right? A nice reaction. So it looks like this little fair value gap played, and so did the previous one. So that's 2 entries. I had to change the same delivery. I'm gonna probably take this. I'm just gonna do one contract. I'm gonna do one contract on yes right there. I didn't get filled on that. I got filled right there. Didn't get filled. I filled there. Let's see, just one contract. So let's see how this goes for now. Two fives. It's pretty slow, but let's see if ES can continue making these lower lows. And if not, I'll look for a re-entry. But honestly, I think this is pretty solid. I don't see us going back up there. But let's see. That's why we only entered one contract, right? Where's this 15-minute low on ES? I can't find it. That's 16. Oh, there it is. I'm gonna find my TP spot. Stop sell. Okay, so currently it's going against us. Or so just for reference sake, let's take rid of this. Basically entered up these 2 down close candles. I got an NQ, just insta stop me. Oh, right now. NQ still hasn't tapped into that little fair value gap, but ES did, and it came into this 844 candle. So far, I don't like this reaction. If we don't wick, I might close early. Wick below these 2 down close candles. There's also this one. Actually, I'll keep my stop. I mean, we only entered one contract for this reason, right? I knew it was an aggressive entry. So I'm gonna switch the screens here so I can bro, how did I not see that? It's good, bro. Yeah, NQ just tapped in, so ES had already, so that's why I looked to take ES, because ES tapped in, it didn't come up to take the high of the fair value gap, and then it also formed a little tiny one that it's still currently respecting. As I say that, and it trades back above, so it's slow. It's not nice price action, but do I expect it to come take this high? Not really. No, not really. So let us see. So the 15-minute order block was already tapped in. The only thing is we could just overall be going higher. Like forget those, right? We could just overall be going higher for maybe a higher even. But yeah, we traded down into this volume imbalance. Let's see. Hopefully we can start getting some. Let's mark out the macro time. Hopefully we can get some move lower because right now we're just kind of sitting at our entry. I don't like that. Macro. All right, that's enough listings, right? I think that's everything. And we need to see. Oh my. Oops. Okay. Yeah, I mean, I don't like the reaction right now. I can't lie. I mean, it is supporting the fair value gap, but it's trading a lot into there. Let's see if the macro time can carry us. It is supporting the fair value gap, but see, ES is wicking as well. It's definitely weak. Not a good open. Yeah, 10 news candle in here. But you're gonna say this every day. You're gonna say this every day. 950 macro in 1 minute. It's kind of scaring me, honestly. We are we haven't inversed this fair value gap. I'm gonna put my stop loss one tick above. One tick above. Just in case we make equal highs. I like to do that. Most equal candles. Equa? What's equa? Oh, equal. Um, yeah. Okay. So far, not good. Not a good reaction. Not a good reaction. If it doesn't wick on this 1 minute candle. Okay, yeah, NQ just tapped into the 1 minute, sorry, the 15-minute order block. We do have a good stop loss placement here, but looks like it might get hit here. Unless we start going lower, like right now on the 15-minute order block tag. We never tagged the opening price, but we did tag this. No, we didn't even tag the old low. Let's see. I am tempted to close early, to be honest, but we did close above 50%. I think I'll just wait. I'll let it hit my stop loss. I got a bad entry on. Oh shit! I entered two contracts short on my combine. It wasn't a bad entry. It's a nice body so far, but yeah, I don't know if that's the move per se. I feel like it's gonna come back up at this point. Look at the 5 minute. Shit looks bullish as hell. Not bad. I entered two on my combine. Well, we're gonna live with it. We took the trade, so we're gonna sit here and we're gonna watch. Low, high, lower, low, high, high, boom. Um, NQ is okay. So NQ has a tapped into the opening price of the 50-minute order block. NQ is also tapped into the fair value gap. NQ should not go any higher than this. If so, it's gonna just keep going. This is it. Literally now or never. Higher, high, high, low, higher, high. It's not a lower low. If NQ was gonna go lower, it would go right now. This is a breaker right here. Lower low in my book? No, it needs to be like boom, 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 and then boom, all like lower low, and then it comes back up to the candle, and then it goes. Um, I will say W stop loss placement, but honestly, these trading conditions are not good. I should have sized down on my other account as well. But let's see. I'm happy we were managed to put a good stop loss with. We need a break lower. NQ tapped into the 15-minute order block, and it's still. I mean, like it shouldn't go higher than this. To be honest, it really shouldn't. I mean, if the play is short, if not, then it's probably gonna start coming towards these highs. It's a nice reaction so far off the 15-minute order block on NQ. ES is, and at least the one time I trade ES, like this shit happens, I swear. NQ or ES already tapped in, respected nicely. Right, it's forming a lower low, like potentially going to this. It's a volume imbalance on the 15-minute that's forming. You know, we got room. We got room to go lower, for sure. See that NQ wick? Oh, it's not good. We had a nice solid body candle and then we just wicked. Not what you want to see if you're in shorts. So a good thing we put our risk down on a trade like this. Sketchy for sure. Yeah. Yeah. I'll say like literally last line of defense is this high. Yeah. I'm gonna say bro, when I'm in a trade, I find every little thing to grasp onto to croak. Down close candle equals lower low. Yes, sir. Trending down. Bro, I do the same thing, trust me. I'm like, you know what's fine, bro. Like it can just sweep this high, form SMT, and then go lower from there, which it did form SMT. But nah, I feel you. I find every single reason to alright. Can this 1 minute SMT, like I'm running out of things. Alright. I'm running out of things. There's a little weeny tiny SMT. Alright. Then 30 seconds, it's already formed. I like to make my SMT red. I feel like it gives me powers. All right, let's form this SMT. Let's not make a higher high than this. 956 candle. All right, 956 candle is the candle that sends us lower. This is how you know you get like you get caught up reading like these 1 minute candles and like little fluctuations. Thank God I'm in ES, not NQ. Oh, we took ES too. Nice. Yeah, ES already manipulated the highs, so I felt like even though it was stronger at the time, ES didn't have a reason to go above this fair value gap. Like, look at that, man. Come on. Come on. That is some pretty good price delivery, I'd say. We just got a nice body. Nice. We can finally see green. Why isn't it green, bro? Why didn't it turn green? I saw you trade below my entry. That's BS. That's all I'm gonna say. Show the boy some green. Why does it always have to wick? This is gonna be a slow, painful slippage guessing. Yeah. I mean, I'm just kidding. I don't really care about seeing the green, but why does it have to wick? Let me. Well, I am on the 1 minute on NQ. I can't even realize. Nice. We got a little fair value gap forming here. If we can just form it, it's already shit. Just close it right up on NQ. Like somehow I'm looking at ES and it's making more sense than NQ. Can somebody explain? Somebody explain. Oh my god, I thought I just hit the reverse button by accident. That was scary. All right. Could potentially add a position here. I'll tell you one thing. I'm gonna trail my stop to these highs. I am gonna do. Actually, I'll do this high. It's the SMT high. Also, the new fair value gap high. It should not trade back up there. I'm not saying trail your stop there. That's just me. Wow. See how it closed that? Wow. Yeah. That's not good. Inverted that shit quick, and we're stopped out instantly. Okay. Well, that just happened. Let's see if we can get another entry. You know what? I wouldn't have even gotten stopped out if I kept my original stop loss. I'm gonna do something here I might regret, but I'm gonna go in. And put my stop loss back there. Good job, Mayor. It's shitty. It's shitty because one sec. Let me just get these orders in. Very low risk. It's because it's the same tick. It made the same tick. It did this earlier today, earlier this week for me too. Like it trades on the same tick and then it stops you out. But when I go to get a fill, I mean, really, it's clear it should not have traded up there, but it didn't trade above. So the SMT still holds, is what I made my mistake. So let's see. We're chilling. But honestly, yeah, like if it stops me here, I'm probably done for today. This is only 1.25 points, so it's like $75 risk. Still below my normal risking for the day in total. Let's see if we can get that move lower that we've been waiting for. Yeah, I'm done after this. I don't want to. I don't want to do anything out of this. And I'm gonna, whenever this goes lower, I'm gonna break even and just leave it the whole day until it taps into the 4 hour. I'm feeling like that. I'm feeling like it's gonna be that nice 10:09 trade. Yeah, the 10:09 to 10:10 macro delivery finale. It's so stupid that I get stopped out there. Like it's, but when I try to get filled on the same tick, it never happens. But when my stop loss is at the tick, always happens. Always happens. Like this happened yesterday too. Like even though I won, I got stopped out on the tick. But whatever. We're in a contract short here, and we risked very little on that trade. If we can catch this, if we can get this low here, 10 handles. That's nice profit for the day. Just shitty that I took that loss. That was like, especially if it goes in my favor, I would like say really not needed. But let's see. Good thing we got back in. Nice reaction so far. I'm not gonna jinx anything. I'm gonna look at the 2 minute chart because I can't look at these freaking candles on 1 minute, bro. I hate how they look. This is such a choppy price condition to be in, but let's see if this macro can finally deliver. We had 10 a.m. We traded above the open. The wicks definitely do the damage. The bodies tell the story. Look at the bodies, bro. Look at the bodies in this fair value gap. Can you make that up? I don't think so, bro. I don't think that's like, you cannot make that up. These are 1 minute, 2 minute candles, by the way. Oh, shit. Okay, but they tell the story here too. They didn't trade. Not one single body closed above. This is the 2 minute. This is the 2 minute, so maybe that's why. But on the 1 minute, same. You're not seeing things. Let's see if we can reinverse this on NQ. That's valid. It is valid, bro. That's what I'm saying. Looks like we're reinversing on Nas. Man, times like this. God, there's SMT at the lows now. I mean, I don't really care about a bullish SMT, but the fact that Nas just swept some lows. There is a breaker in here, isn't there? Low, high, no, low, high, sorry. High, low, higher, high, lower, low. Which one's the breaker? But it's this one right here, right? High, low, higher, high, lower, low. High, low. The last. Yeah, I think it's this one. I hope it's that one. Copium is fucked because we just tapped in and respected the 50%. So you can call it copium. I call it price delivery. How many points did it reject? 8 points. No. If only ES could do anything. Literally just do anything, ES. It literally loves this fair value gap. They gonna need the National Guard. It's not taking these high. Bro, fuck, Naz is running. ES, come on, bro. Move. Two. Together. Together. I guess it's like the same distance though. Like from here to here, 3 points. From here to here, 18 points. It's like about the same. 18 times 3 is almost 50. Wait, what am I saying? That did not make any sense. Never mind. Never mind. I'm losing it, bro. I'm losing it. These ES candles are killing me, bro. But to be honest, if I took NQ, I would have been stopped out like, what, 6 times? Just give me a fair value. Like, all I want to see right now is, yes, bro. Yes. You read my freaking mind, bro. All right, we finally got a nice move. Why's my stop here? I'm gonna put it right here. It makes no sense there. Yes, bro. Nice big bodies, bro. Big body bands. Remember, I used to be dusty. Me, my, be dusty. All right. We finally moved. Oh, UTP lows? Congratulations, bro. Oh, you talking about this low? Oh, shit. Sorry. UTP that does lows. No, valid though. Taking a partial here is pretty good. Wait, where's my TP? Oh, shit. I didn't set a TP. Oh, mine's right. I'm gonna take mine right here. I'm gonna hold this until it goes there. I don't care. Is it a buy limit or a sell stop? Sell stop, right? Be dusty. Congratulations on the 2R. So we're basically gonna break even on this. I'll put it one tick above. I'm taking any chances. 536. Stop loss. So we're basically break even. I'm gonna let this thing go. I should have taken a partial on my top step X. Looks like we're getting the retracement now, which is good. All right, retracement, not reversal. All right, retracement, not reversal. All right, we tapped into the fair value gap. Could add a position there. It's tempting. It's tempting for sure. Do I want to add one? Maybe if we get a down close. If I get stopped break even, that'd be really sad. I'm gonna live with it. I'm just gonna leave it like this, and I'm gonna live with whatever happens, happens. I know for a fact. I just watched it go to 200, and now it's red. Have faith, brother. Have faith. All right. Have faith. All right. It's just a retracement. Right. All right. It's okay. It's all good, bro. It's all good. I want to see NQ close lower though. It's like getting close. Like to the edge. Like what's gonna happen? Next candle opens. Don't open green on me. No, no. Okay. Flips bearish. Flip bullish. Reading every 30 seconds. Let's not trade above the previous candle's high. Big body candle lower. Positive for the day. That's all that matters. I'm proud of you, Poggy. That was a really good TP. Honestly, I would have considered TPing there, but took a shitty one. Took a stupid loss earlier. It's probably nice to get out right there when you can. Stop loss is probably gonna hit here. Let's see. There's a little bit room for coloring in between the lines because no, low hanging fruit is valid, bro. I don't want to increase my stop. It should go lower from here. Yes, nice rebalance. I want to put it back to where it originally was. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. All right, that's it. I'm leaving. I'm not touching it anymore. I'm not touching it anymore. I'm not touching it anymore. Leaving it. I'm gonna sit here and watch. Yeah, ES is just like I don't know, doing its own thing now. I think Q looks good. Yeah, SMT low. Let's just watch. See what happens. So we still haven't taken this candle's high yet. Shoot. Oh, we took the candle's high and I stop loss is next. Yeah, I'm stopped out. Well, that just happened. I think we might be done for the day. Definitely unfortunate series of events that just occurred. That was very rip, but it's tempting to re-enter, but I'm not going to because I honestly can't handle another loss. Mhm. Mhm. But I will watch. It went 3 ticks over my stop loss. It just trades above, but it shouldn't have stopped you out there. It stops you out at the fill. There's no slippage with Top Step X. It'll trade over. Pretty sad we caught a loss. I mean, yeah, those equal lows were good. That was a really good TP, Poggy. That was a really good TP. The only thing is, like, NQ didn't take it, so I was like, maybe. Like, NQ really just left these lows, you know? Like, really? Those lows are too sus. There's no way. Let's see. I can't re-enter now. Like, it doesn't even make sense. Weird. A weird price action for sure. I'm curious to see. I mean, I feel like we're definitely going towards that 15-minute low. I guess not in this move, though. Closing charts? Yeah, we gotta close the charts. Yeah, interesting. Yeah, I guess low-hanging fruit makes especially a lot of sense there. But then the only reason I didn't take that exit, Poggy, I don't know if you can relate. It's because I already lost one stupid trade, you know? Like I lost the stupid trade of like where it stopped me out at the 1 tick. You're gonna take passport picks? I might go might just go to the gym then. Yes, taking previous candle high, previous candle low. That would be more reason for me to TP at a sensible point. Like just a secure break even, you mean? I guess I just got greedy. I just wanted to get like I wanted to end profitable, not break even. Ended up being more loss. It's kind of weird that we came up here. And usually 930 lows how I get taken, but I guess not on NQ. Yeah, yeah. I get what you're saying. I get what you're saying for sure. Interesting. Well, we're still up on the week, which is good. It's a part of the journey. I guess that's a mistake. I'm gonna have to just accept that I made that mistake. That was a silly mistake I made. So we're 3-5 now so far in May. Could have been 4-4. Could have ended break even with some nice profit there, but we made a mistake. I made a mistake there, 100%. Bias was bearish. Bias breakdown. Flipped all-time high. Anticipating TGIF. Conditions. Last weekly retracement. So the good news is I think it was very W risk management at least. At least we did not lose. I think I lost like 150 on the day. Usually I risk 200 per trade, 250 per trade. So I have been like decreasing my risk recently. I can't even tell which one is which. I went short here. I bought back at 5336. 336.5 minus 334 times 50. So we lost 125 on the first one. And then the second one, lost 62.5. So overall, we lost 212 today. I was trading a continuation. Fair value gap entry. Turtles. No. Sorry, not turtle soup. Fair value gap. And I'm going to put in the comments here. I really should not have lost the first trade. Bad stop loss trailing. And I should have TP'd equal lows on S&T plus 2R. This would have been a perfect. It would have been perfect, but I made a silly mistake. I made a silly mistake, 100%. There is some good news though. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you what's up, Poggy. You don't know me. You don't know me, bro. Let me show you something, bro. Let me show you something, bro. You know what this is, Poggy? This is. Show me a billion. So on my 3 million funded. What the fuck is this for drawings? USD GPY. Switch symbol. Wait, what happened? Where's my position? I'm up 130 pips on USD GPY, but I can't find my entry. Oh, there it is. See, that's how good it was. So low. Don't worry about that. That happened. Look at that, bro. This is a 15-minute time frame, bro. 15-minute time frame. I should probably break even on this. But like, yo, that's a nice price move. Come on, bro. Just a nice market maker buy model. Targeting the high of the original consolidation. So, oh yeah, should be right there. Which is also previous day's high. So very nice. So far, we are up like a nice amount of pips. I don't know where. Why didn't it say pips? Where does it show you how many pips you're up? I don't know. Oh, it says here. 130 pips. That's a pretty nice price move. And then AMD stock, bro. Let me put you on AMD stock. Do you know what price I got the stock at? I'm gonna tell you what price I got the stock at. Damn, this chart is ugly. I got it at 154. Currently at 162, so I'm almost $10 profit per. I'm also on Roku stock, but can't lie, I am pretty down a couple hundred on Roku stock right now. Your chat is back. Shit, bro. If you missed it, you missed it. I was just talking about I'm in a long on USD GPY. Not to flex or anything, but I'm up like $2, $3. So. Oh, you're good, bro. Nah, yeah, I just made a Forex account and I put in like $100 and I was like, I wonder how much I could like flip this just swing trading. Like I'm only trading daily IRL to ERL with 1 hour trading thing delivery. Like literally that's it. So literally we tapped into this daily fair value gap, marked it, 1 hour trading thing delivery. Honestly, I entered early, just anticipating that it was gonna happen, and it did happen, and then it just kept going. Honestly, hasn't retraced to the order block, so I mean, I guess it did here. That's your change of same delivery. Made a fair value gap, a breakaway gap. Made another one, tapped into it, just barely. Made another one, could tap into it as well, keep going higher. Anyways, I think that's it for me today. I made a mistake today. I'm longing NQ off the inversion, I'm guessing. Yo, what is this, Robbie, bro? This guy's fucking girlfriend buff, bro. No wonder this guy's killing it. Killing it. Good shit, Poggy. Yeah, that was a W trade, bro. W. Oh, you're talking about my Forex one. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end it there. Honestly, I'm not that salty. I made that. That was a silly mistake. Silly mistake. Should have been a clean 1-0 today, especially given the bad conditions. So just taking that to our scalp and walked away. But it happens. I gotta fix my stop loss. That's the second time that happened where it like ticks me to the exact tick and reversed. Looks like we're going for that 830 high now. So I gotta be cautious of that. I gotta make sure I don't do that again. But you know, we're 3-5, and that was a silly mistake, really. In my heart, I feel like we're 4-4. But it's all good. It's all good. We will record the trading log video later. I'm gonna end the stream early today. I'm gonna go to the gym. Get a nice workout in. Tomorrow, if we can, probably just relook for shorts tomorrow. To be honest, expecting TGIF setup, something like that. So, thanks for coming to the stream, guys. I know it ended early, but I don't even want to look at the charts anymore. I really don't want to look at the charts. Like, what's even happening right now? Yeah, even NQ reversed, bro. Take out the. I think that was it right there. That was the only short that was valid. And yeah, we will go next. And we will be happy with what happened. And we learned. We learned. That's what matters. So see you guys tomorrow, 9:15 a.m. EST. Hopefully we can make back that loss. Silly loss. Very silly loss. So peace. See you guys, bro. See you. Good shit, Poggy. That was a W fucking trade, bro. W. See ya, bro.